Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Mahliana and I am student for English Education D 2018. I would like explain about ESP. The origin of ESP. What is ESP? Is a language teaching approach in which decisions about content and methods are based on the learner's reasons for learning. 3 reasons. 1. The demands of brave new words. English was the key to the international currencies of technology and commerce. 2. Revolution in linguistics. If linguist varies from another, it should be possible to determine the features of specific station and then make these features the base of the learner course. 2. The development of ESP. The development of ESP, it is now in fourth phase with a 5 phase of development station to emerge from its previous 3 main phase of development started in the early beginning. 1960. 1. The concept of specially language register analysis. 2. Beyond the sentence, rhetorical or discourse analysis. 3. Target situation analysis. 4. Skills and strategies. 3. Learning landscape approach. All of these things described so far are these things of development of ESP from it is started in the early beginning on the 1960 until today. These things started by identifying and analyzing learner register and focus on sentence level, and on sequence things ESP became closely involved with the emerging field of discourse or rhetorical analysis. On 3 stages, what I aimed to do was to take the existing knowledge and set it on a more scientific basis by establishing producer for relation source songs analysis more closely to learner. Reasons for learning. On the 4th stage, they focus in underlying strategies. 3. Course design. Course design is the process by which the raw that's about a learning. Needs is interprets in order to produce an integrated series of teaching learning experience. There are probably many different approaches to a ESP course design, as there are course designers. However, we can identify three main types of course design: language-centered course design, skill-centered course design, and learning sense approach. For language description, any ESP course makes use of explicit or implicit ideas about the nature of language. These ideas are drawn from the various language descriptions they have been developed by succeeding schools of thought in linguistics. Note all the development in linguistics have had applications. Of course, we can identify 6 main stages of development. Five theories of learning. Learning factor if considered as are incorporated only after the language base has been analyzed and systematized. There are 5 main stages of development which are reference to the modern language teacher. 1. Behaviorist learning as habit information. 2. Mentalist thinking as role government activity. 3. Cognitive codes learning as thinking pain. 4. The affective factor learning as emotional being. 5. Crisis learning conscious and acquiescent subsession both needing. 6. Analysis. Net analysis is a complex process involving much more than simple looking at what the learner will have to do in target situation. Target needs analysis. Target is something of an umbrella term which in practice has a number of important distinctions. In other words, target needs is what the learner needs to do in the target situation. It is more useful to look at the target situation in terms of necessities to course design. Course design is the process by which raw data about needs of learning are interpreted in order to produce multiple interpretations of the teaching experience.